Hello everyone, welcome you all to our channel K Edifiers, and I am Neena. In this session we are going to complete the last part of future tense, that is future perfect continuous. Okay, so future perfect continuous is an advanced tense and there is not much use in our daily conversation of this tense, but we should know that how to form sentences on this tense. So I'll just let you know in which situation or what should be the action where you will use this tense, that is future perfect continuous. Okay, listen to me carefully. Guys, whenever you have started something, some action, some activity in the past, and the same activity is continuing in the present, and the same thing or same activity will be continuing or is going to be continued in the future, there you have to use, or at that situation you have to form sentences using this tense only. Okay, I hope I am clear to you. Let me clarify again, let me make you more clear. देखिए, आप अगर कोई भी एक्टिविटी आप पास्ट में स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, राइट, एंड आपका वही सेम एक्टिविटी प्रेजेंट में भी चल रहा है एंड वो फ्यूचर में भी कंटिन्यू होगा, जो कि आपको पता है, देयर यू हैव टू यूज फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. ओके, so let's start by having the strict structure. It will be easy for us to form sentences, and also same interrogative and negative form we will convert the as usual we are doing. Okay, so here the structure. Subject, here you have to form likewise subject, will, shall, have, form. Okay, past participle form of be verb, that is been. Will, shall, have been, verb, then ing, object. Okay, this is the structure. You have to form sentences likewise. Okay, so listen, subject, any subject you are taking, you don't need to confuse where to use have and has, because here only thing you have to use, that is have, that is the helping verb, and the past participle form of be verb, that is been, you have to use here. Just let me memorize you one thing. In present perfect continuous also you have you know the use of been verb, and also in the past perfect continuous. So here I don't think it is harder for you to understand. Okay, so how to form sentences, only apply the structure, you'll get the sentence, but at what situation you're gonna form the sentence, and that is what you have to learn, or that is what you have to understand actually. Okay, so let's take any subject. My friends will have been continuing, continue ing, continuing their job in TCH, right. So my friends, जो कि मेरे दोस्त हैं, वो एक जॉब कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं, मतलब वो TCS में काम करते हैं. दे विल हैव बीन कंटिन्यूइंग, मतलब वो पास्ट में ज्वाइन किए थे वो कंपनी, वो अभी भी प्रेजेंट में वहां पे काम करते हैं, एंड दे आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू देयर ओनली, आई मीन इन दैट कंपनी ओनली. सो माई फ्रेंड्स विल हैव बीन कंटिन्यूइंग देयर जॉब इन TCS, राइट. ओके, सो हियर नथिंग मच टू अंडरस्टैंड. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, कोई भी एक्टिविटी आपका पास्ट में स्टार्ट होता है, प्रेजेंट में भी चलता है, एंड आपको पता है कि ये फ्यूचर में चलने वाला है, जहाँ पे हम एक सर्टेनिटी रखते हैं, हम थोड़ा माइंडसेट रखते हैं कि मैं ये चीज़ फ्यूचर में भी करने वाली हूँ, या फिर आप ये चीज़ फ्यूचर में भी कंटिन्यू करने वाले हैं. देयर यू हैव टू यूज फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. ओके, ओके, लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. I shall have been teaching. I shall have been teaching next 5 years. Okay, or I shall have been working on that project next 10 years. ओके मतलब मैंने उस प्रोजेक्ट में स्टार्ट किया था, बहुत प्रोजेक्ट मैंने काम किया था पास्ट में, उस प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर काम किया था, पास्ट में स्टार्ट किया था, वो अभी भी मैं उस प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर काम कर रही हूँ और नेक्स्ट 10 years तक मैं अपना माइंड सेट करके रखी हूँ दैट आई एम गोना वर्क ऑन दैट प्रोजेक्ट ओनली. सो हियर यू कैंट राइट आई एम गोइंग टू वर्क एट देयर, आई विल वर्क देयर, इट विल बी टोटल इनकरेक्ट. क्योंकि आपको अगर प्रॉपर सेंटेंस मेक करना है without doing any grammatical error, then this sentence is the perfect one where you want to say that I will have doing this work till this much of days, or I will have continue this work. Means you have set on your mind that you gonna continue this thing till future. Okay, that is the thing only. So here the same, you don't need to be confused. You have to add not after the, if you are going to convert the same sentence into negative sentence, then you have to add not after will. Okay, so what will be here? My friend will not have been continuing. Okay, then that is what I have written. Again you have to write the same. My friend will not have, my friends, okay, I have written here in the plural form, here will be the plural one. My friends will not have been continuing their job in TCS, right? तो वो वहाँ पे कंटिन्यू नहीं करने वाले, वो पास्ट में स्टार्ट किए थे, प्रेजेंट में कंटिन्यू है, लेकिन फ्यूचर में वो कंटिन्यू नहीं करने वाले. देयर यू हैव टू पुट not after the auxiliary verb, that is will. Okay, and if you are going to convert the same sentence into interrogative sentence, as usual I have told you, okay, I'm telling you, once you will watch my videos from part 1, then I can bet you that on tense part I don't think you will get any confusion by having the structure of each tense. How I have provided structure, likewise I have described and I have given you description at what situation you have to put such tenses. Okay, then it will be helpful to you. I hope it is helpful to you. Okay, so here if you are going to convert the same sentence into interrogative sentence, you have to take will to the first part of the sentence or to before the subject. What is the subject here? My friend is the subject here, right? Will have, we have used here been, verb 1 ing, their, job at TCS is the object. Structure wise our sentence is perfect. Okay, so now we are going to convert the same sentence into interrogative sentence. So you have to take will to the first part of the sentence. Will my friend have been continuing? So will my friend have been continuing their job in TCS? Okay, so here you are going to ask the question, are they going to do that? तो क्या वो कंटिन्यू करेंगे? नहीं, वो कंटिन्यू नहीं करेंगे. अगर नेगेटिव करना है तो वो कंटिन्यू नहीं करने वाले हैं, वो कंटिन्यू करने वाले हैं, वो कंटिन्यू, क्या वो कंटिन्यू करेंगे वहां पे? ओके, दैट इज व्हाट यू गॉट एन इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. हियर आई शैल हैव बीन टीचिंग नेक्स्ट 5 years. मैं नेक्स्ट 5 years तक पढ़ाऊंगी, ये मैं अपने माइंड सेट की हूँ, क्योंकि last 2-3 years back I have started teaching. Now also I am teaching, and in future till after 5 years I have set on my mind that I am gonna teach. There you have to, I have written the sentence that I am going to, or I will have teaching till next 5 years. Okay, so here I shall not negative sentence have been teaching, okay, next 5 years, or question mark, shall I have been teaching next 5 years? क्या मैं पढ़ाऊंगी? If you want to make an interrogative sentence, this will be the form. Okay, so thank you all, and I'm gonna upload more videos, so I'll be back here. Till then, take care and